Hola amigos. Today we are talking about the Spanish words that look similar but means different things. Let's go. Mirar versus ver. Both words mean to see, but they are not the same. Mirar means to look at. You do it on purpose. And ver means to see. It just happens. No effort needed. Look at the example. Estoy mirando la tele. I'm watching TV. Vi a Juan en la calle. I saw Juan on the street. Next one. Escuchar versus oír. Escuchar means to listen with attention. And oír means to hear without trying. Look at the example. Escucho música. I'm listening to music. Oigo ruido afuera. I hear noise outside. Next one. Saber versus conocer. Both mean to know, but for different things. Saber is for facts and skills. Conocer is for people and places. Look at the examples. Sé hablar español. I know how to speak Spanish. Conozco Madrid. I know Madrid. Next one. Pedir versus preguntar. Pedir means to ask for something. And preguntar means to ask a question. Look at the examples. Pido un café. I'm asking for a coffee. Pregunto la hora. I'm asking the time. Next one. Llevar versus traer. Llevar means to take away from here. And traer means to bring toward here. Look at the examples. Llevo el libro a la escuela. I take the book to school. Traigo el libro a casa. I bring the book home. Muy bien. That's it for today.